Have you ever seen a girl who just radiates warmth and kindness? Someone whose very presence seems to light up the room and make everyone feel at ease? Someone who seems to float through life with a gentle grace, as if every step they take is a dance? That, my dears, is the essence of a soft girl. It's a unique blend of gentleness, warmth, and an almost ethereal quality. It's more than just a look, it's a feeling. A soft girl exudes a sense of calm and peace that is truly captivating. Soft girls embrace femininity and kindness. They are often seen wearing pastel colors, flowy dresses, and delicate accessories that highlight their gentle nature. They find joy in the little things and spread positivity wherever they go. Whether it's through a kind word, a warm smile, or a thoughtful gesture, they make the world a brighter place. Being a soft girl is all about expressing your true self authentically. It's about being unapologetically you, embracing your quirks and imperfections. It's about creating a world filled with pastel hues, cozy moments, and a sprinkle of magic. Imagine a life where every day feels like a gentle, pastel-colored dream. It's about celebrating the beauty of self-love and spreading that love to everyone around you. Soft girls understand that true beauty comes from within, and they radiate that inner beauty outward. Ready to embark on this beautiful journey of self-discovery? It's a path filled with self-acceptance, love, and endless possibilities. Let's dive into the wonderful world of soft girls. Embrace the softness, the kindness, and the magic that comes with being a soft girl. At the core of every soft girl is a heart overflowing with kindness. They believe in treating everyone with respect and compassion. Soft girls are always there to lend a listening ear or offer a comforting word. They believe in lifting each other up and celebrating each other's uniqueness. Positivity is another key ingredient in a soft girl's recipe for life. They choose to focus on the good, finding joy in everyday moments. A soft girl's optimism is infectious, inspiring those around her to see the world through a brighter lens. Remember, a smile can go a long way. Spread kindness and watch the world sparkle. Imagine a world dipped in cotton candy hues, where comfort reigns supreme. That's the fashion philosophy of a soft girl. Think soft, flowing fabrics in dreamy pastels like baby pink, lavender, and powder blue. Oversized sweaters that feel like a warm hug. Flowy skirts that twirl with every step. And delicate lace details are all staples in a soft girl's wardrobe. Accessories are the perfect way to add a touch of whimsy to any outfit. Think dainty necklaces with cute charms, hair clips adorned with pearls or bows, and delicate rings that sparkle like stardust. Remember, dressing softly is all about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. Soft girl makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty with a light and airy touch. It's a trend that focuses on subtlety and simplicity, allowing your natural features to shine through while adding just a hint of color and glow. Think dewy skin that glows from within, rosy cheeks that mimic a gentle blush, and lips tinted with a hint of color. This look is all about creating a fresh, youthful appearance that feels effortless and natural. Start with a lightweight foundation or BB cream to even out your skin tone. These products provide just enough coverage to smooth out any imperfections while still letting your skin breathe and look like skin. Add a touch of blush to the apples of your cheeks for a natural flush. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and apply it with a light hand to achieve that perfect, just pinched look. For your eyes, a light dusting of shimmery eyeshadow in champagne or rose gold will make them sparkle. These shades are universally flattering and add a touch of elegance without being overpowering. Finish with a coat of mascara to define those lashes. Opt for a formula that lengthens and separates, giving your lashes a natural yet enhanced look. And for your lips, a tinted lip balm or a sheer lipstick in a soft pink or peach will complete your effortlessly chic look. These products add just the right amount of color and moisture, making your lips look naturally beautiful and kissable. Section 5. A cozy and creative lifestyle. Self-care and hobbies. A soft girl's life is a tapestry woven with threads of self-care, creativity, and cozy moments. It's about finding joy in the little things and creating a sanctuary of peace and happiness. They understand the importance of nurturing their mind, body, and soul. This holistic approach to self-care ensures they stay balanced and grounded. Think bubble baths with candles and essential oils, curling up with a good book and a cup of tea, or indulging in a pampering skincare routine. These moments of relaxation are essential for recharging their energy. Soft girls also have a passion for creative pursuits. Creativity is a way for them to express their inner world and bring their imagination to life. Some love to express themselves through journaling, filling notebooks with their thoughts, dreams, and doodles. It's a therapeutic practice that helps them process their emotions and reflect on their experiences. Others find joy in baking, creating delicious treats that are as adorable as they are tasty. Baking is not just about the end product, but also about the process and the joy it brings. And some love to lose themselves in the world of crafting, whether it's knitting cozy blankets, creating beautiful jewelry, or painting their world with watercolors. These creative activities provide a sense of accomplishment and a way to unwind. Additionally, soft girls often find solace in nature, taking walks in the park, or enjoying a quiet moment by the lake. They also cherish spending quality time with friends, sharing laughter, and creating memories. Whether it's cuddling with a pet or getting lost in a captivating book, these simple pleasures are what make a soft girl's life so fulfilling and rich with contentment. Section 6. Soft Girl Essentials. Must-have items for your journey. Ready to embrace your inner soft girl? Here are a few must-have items to kickstart your journey. Pastel-colored clothing. Think soft pinks, baby blues, and lavender hues. Oversized sweaters and cardigans, perfect for cozy days and layering. Flowy skirts and dresses, embrace those feminine silhouettes. Hair accessories, stock up on cute headbands, scrunchies, and clips. Delicate jewelry, think dainty necklaces, charm bracelets, and simple rings. A cozy blanket, for snuggling up on the sofa with a good book. Scented candles, create a relaxing ambiance with calming scents. A journal and colorful pens, for jotting down thoughts, dreams, and creative ideas. Section 7. Finding your inner soft girl. Embrace your authenticity. Remember, becoming a soft girl isn't about changing who you are, but rather embracing your most authentic self. It's about highlighting your inner kindness, expressing yourself creatively, and finding joy in the little things. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and find what resonates with you. If you're drawn to a pop of color or a bolder accessory, go for it. The beauty of being a soft girl is that there are no strict rules. It's all about creating a world that reflects your unique personality and brings you joy. Section 8. Radiate softness. Spread kindness and gentle vibes. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery, remember that being a soft girl is more than just a look. It's a way of life. It's about radiating kindness, spreading positivity, and approaching the world with a gentle heart. So go forth, my dears, and paint the world with your own unique shade of soft. Embrace your inner softness, express yourself authentically, and let your kindness illuminate the world.